All right. Good afternoon. Holy chat. How we doing, bro? Huh? Chat, how we doing? We got Kevin. We got Rummy. Greetings. We got Mr. Market Maker Mario himself in the building. Holy Mario, what up? Chat, did everybody survive today? Cause god dang, bro. I mean, from the high to where we are, or to where we sold to, 1,075 points to the downside, chat. My goodness. What a move, baby. What a move. What an absolute just insane move, bro. Chat, did y'all trade this? Did y'all get short? Watson's in the house. Holy moly, Watson, how you doing? Welcome. Mario's back in on that pullback. Holy trailing. Love it, love it, love it. Cheddar 007's in the building. Good afternoon. We got Paul. We got Ovidi Papua. I just butchered the shit out of your name. Lost 812 in my express. Hey, it's all good, baby. Tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow is a new day, baby. Marathon. Morgan caught that whole short high a day 10 minis. He didn't tell us though. No, I didn't catch it. I had my finger on the trigger, chat. I was like, you know what? This is beautiful. It broke initial balance when we saw some weakness, got some nice selling, and then it happened so fast that I didn't even pull the trigger. And then at that point, I was like, you know what? We're just gonna miss out on this. But hey, listen, it's all good. It's all good, baby. I was too scared. I got plenty of break evens. It happens. It happens. I mean, chat, we green on the day. Listen, we green. Chat, you want to see something? Tell me, is this good? Chat, is this good? This is the personal account. We're undefeated this month so far. Absolutely undefeated. We're up 9.1 on the month. In the good old personal account, real money. Going for the listen, we might get we just might, chat. We just might get our first 5-figure month in our personal account. We just might do it. We just might do it. Waiting on 24,100. At this point, anything's possible. Anything is possible. We could just shred to the downside another 500 points, or we could just find support and rip up. I don't know. My in trade, not at the moment. We're looking for an opportunity though. We'll I'm not say we're looking, but we're waiting on an opportunity. The pump was so strong until it got close to all-time highs. Yeah. Look at initial balance, chat. We have a decent initial balance range, and it looks so small. It looks so small. Golly, did the market just absolutely bleed? It's about time to load up on some swing trades, chat. If we get down to 23,000s, bro, listen, I might be I might be loading up on some TQQQ, Mario, you know what I mean? Sheesh. Blue and evil on that mess. Hey, listen, happens. It might be almost time to load up on some TQQQs. Some triple leveraged ETFs, chat. Will I be back today? What do you mean will I be back today? I am back. I'm here. I'm live, baby. We live. I want 23,000, chat. And then we load the boat on some swings. James Brown, holy moly, what up? How's the account looking today? I just showed a picture of it, or showed it. Here you go. I'll take a little look. Take a peek. Take a peek. We absolutely dominating the market today. Dominating. Bielka. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Smash some likes for all them green days. Yo, you heard it here first, baby. The crucial camp coming in saying smash those likes for all the green days. Chat, if you haven't smashed the like button, what are you even doing? Huh? Redneck, I'm peeking. He's taking a peek. Yeah, absolutely love to see it. He's just taking a peek. We are just shredding to the downside, chat. You could have literally just closed your eyes, got short, and made a shit ton of money. That's how today could have gone. Close your eyes, get short, you made money. Hang on, chat. I need to post something real quick. I need to post something. Oh, what in the... Hello? Why is this not working? Okay, here we go. Hang on, chat. All right. Why is your name shown like that? Oh, Bo, that's you. I don't know. Maybe because you're on another. Maybe because you're on another dealio. Who knows? Miss K's in the building. Hello, Miss K. How are you doing, beautiful? Marathon. I almost blew my TPT and I passed the threshold. Would have been so sick. 1 to 3 macros only. Holy. Listen, Marathon. You're past the threshold. Now take it slow. Take it absolutely, positively slow. Get them daily payouts. Get those daily payouts, baby. Holy. Chat, what are the odds we go to 23,000 today? What do you guys think? Chat, I might let you guys take over and take the trades the rest of the day. I'll let chat decide what trades we take. In fact, you know what we'll do? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, here we go. We'll log into paper trading. I've made $17,000 on this paper account, chat, just FYI. Okay, hold on. All right, chat. Withdraw it. What do you mean what happened to JM, Ms. K? What you mean? Chat, I'm gonna let you guys decide what trades we take. This paper trading account is y'all's. All right, it has $100,000. Y'all decide what trades we take. What do you guys think, bro? What trades y'all want? I'm gonna let you guys decide. Obviously, you ain't deciding on my cash account, but y'all can decide on the paper account. What trades y'all want, bro? Real talk, I'm thinking about starting like a $5,000 cash account, chat, and just letting you guys see if you guys can make money, see if the chat can make money. You know what I mean? See if the chat can make money. I'll start a $5,000 cash account. We'll trade 2 to 3 micros, maybe just 1 to 2 micros, and we'll see if you guys make money. What do you guys think, dude? I think that'd be a lot of fun. We could do that, or we could get like we could get some evals and see if the chat can pass some evals. We'll take it all on stream here. What do you guys think? Think we should do that? Like after Thanksgiving. Let's do it after Thanksgiving. After the holiday, we'll do that. We'll get some evals, chat, and you guys will take the trades. Y'all will tell me what trades do we take. What's really in the Celsius can, Jay? It's not up for discussion. It's not up for discussion. I'm trading 1 combine account. I passed it last night. I'm retiring at the end of the year, and I'm thinking of waiting to trade it until the first of the year. Hey, let's go. First off, congrats on retirement. Second off, I would at least wait till like December, probably. because you don't want to, you can't let it sit for too long. You know what I mean? Because then they'll probably like if it's inactive, they'll just get rid of your account. So I would trade it like after Thanksgiving. That's what I would do. That's what makes the most sense. Chat, the next video for the free day trading course is tomorrow, by the way. It is tomorrow. So if you guys are new, or we have some new people in here, maybe you don't know, we are doing a free day trading course. It is a series that we're putting on YouTube. And we just went through the mental part of trading. We went through all the like the mental side of things. There's 4 videos up there, about 20-ish minutes long each. And so working through the mental part of trading there, I would definitely recommend doing that. The next part of this is we're moving into risk management, chat. That's what we're moving into. We're moving into the risk management portion of the free course. Absolutely free, by the way. If I haven't said that enough, it's free. We're moving in the risk management part. The first video for that will be tomorrow. So get ready for that. And then next week, we probably won't be live as much. We probably won't be doing it. We probably won't be doing the video after that live for next week, just because I'll be traveling to Arkansas. I'm still gonna go live on my YouTube channel and trade a little bit. But I will be traveling next week. I'll be in Arkansas. Thanksgiving week, be with the family, spend some time, hanging out, chilling. How much for the course? Oh, by the way, it's free. Yeah, the course is free. You get it all for free. Things that other people are teaching for thousands of dollars, I'm doing it for free. All right, chat, we got to find some levels here. We got to find some levels. We got a nice one sitting here down in 162s. We got a nice one sitting down right there. We're gonna watch for that to come into play. Can't wait. Well, you don't have to wait much longer. Chat, I'm honestly considering like I'll be live tomorrow. But I'm honestly considering locking up the personal account this week and just trading prop firm accounts tomorrow. What do you guys think? I think we take tomorrow off on the personal account, chat. What do you think? Just trade prop firm accounts tomorrow? It'll make next week more enjoyable. Yeah. I'd say do it after today. Why risk ending the week on a bad note? That is true. That is true. That's how it's that's how you go on tilt. Is when you have such a good week, and in fact, such a good month. And then on the very last day. Oof. But then it just takes me back to the short video I made where it's like, I'm not going to trade today. We're not going to take any trades. It's a good day to sit on the hands. Oh, look, the Nasdaq. Order filled. Don't fuck it up Friday. You already know the deal, baby. It's the best way to avoid F it up Friday. That is right. That is right. Maybe we just trade prop firm accounts, you know? I think you cap it off with another green day so that the calendar is even. Now don't go flaring up my OCD, bro. Because now you got me thinking like there's a big ass fucking gap here and it's gonna annoy the fuck out of me. Holy. Miss K says Logan lives. Logan does live. He's out here living, baby. I blew 2,700 today and 150k eval. Oof. Well, at least it was just an eval. At least it wasn't real money. $24,148 is a daily low on the terror bar only. Wowzers. Chat, the fact that we've sold off over 1,000 points off the highs is just incredible. I mean, like what, dude? Like which one of y'all did that, bro? Who's at fault for this? From the high, we sold off 1,100 points. Whose fault is this? Which one of y'all did this to the market, dude? And NQ is only down 1.6. I know. It's like barely even down. I don't want to say barely down because I mean it's down. That's technically it's still down quite a bit, but for it to only be 1.6, yeah, that's pretty crazy if you think about it. Because you would think on like 1,100 point move to the downside, you would think, oh, you know, it'd be down like 3%. No. No. Yo, Joey, did you short that? Yes, I did. And I have kicked myself in the ass for not holding all day long. Because I didn't know we were going to get a 1,100 point move the downside, chat. Like, how am I supposed to know that? I wish I held it all day, bro. Jesus Christ. I might be retired, chat, to be honest. I might have retired today. That's the kind of info we are here for. Oh, I'm supposed to alert you guys of a 1,000 point move ahead of time. Got it. I see my role here now. Alert to you guys. That way we all get rich together, right? Is that why I'm here? I tell you what, my alert service is $1,500 a month. So if you want premium alerts, $1,500 a month. I got Venmo, PayPal. You take pesos? I do. I'll take some pesos. part of me is like, I want to find an area that we would catch a bid, but there's been one bid in the market. Like before, well, after the sell-off from initial balance high, there's been one real bid this whole day after initial balance high. And it was this. That was the one bid that we caught today so far. I really want to find an area that I think we could catch another bid off of, but it's like every bid is getting smoked. And I don't really want to fade 1,100 point move to the downside. You know what I mean? I really don't want to fade it. Trader King. Like if we are gonna catch a bid, chat, I would really want to see it pop, like this blue line that I have here, this level. I would really want to see it pop this. What's this low here? 482. Wait, that's not right. Wait, why is that showing as 482? That's not 480. Huh? Why is it showing so weird? There we go. 24,157. That's what I want to see. 24,157. If we could go pop that, see some movement below there and then a bid, that would be great. But this is what I don't want to see. I don't want to see us catch a bid from here. I want to see this and then this. And then this. But I don't want to see a bid come through right here. Not an area that I want that to happen. Charitable Sevens Brazilian. All the way from Brazil, baby. Holy. We're worldwide. They got some fast ducks in Brazil. Well, they probably training for duck races out there every day. Joey learned Brazilian as well as Spanish. There's no way. There's no possible way. Chat, I have to learn Spanish fast. I really do. I've got to lock in, bro. I've got to lock in. I need Ismail, wherever you're at, Ismail. I need you to come through for me. Give me those 101s. Help me learn Spanish because, chat, I'm going to be in Mexico in February. Okay? I will be in Mexico in February. We're going to Playa del Carmen. So I need as much Spanish as I can get. Like ASAP. You know what I mean? Joey Nacional. Is that real Spanish? I don't know if that's is that real? It is? Okay. I see, I don't know. You know what I mean? You're Cuban. Ah. So you speak the Spanish. He speaks the Spanish. I just don't like you don't want to learn Spanish by like just memorizing words and phrases. Like you got to learn it by like having conversations and doing like activities in Spanish. Like that's how you retain it the most. Like I've tried all the apps and stuff. I've tried Duolingo. I've tried what's it called? Babbel. Like I just can't. I don't retain it just by like trying to memorize it. The poor Joey has no friends. That's true. I have one friend. I got one and he's probably sitting in here. Is there a giveaway today? Not today. Tomorrow there is. Tomorrow we're doing a straight to funded account giveaway. Start learning Spanish today. I'm sure next month you'll speak it. No, probably not. I wouldn't say in a month. I just need people to have conversation with me and use activities to speak Spanish. So needy too? Yeah, I am needy. I need somebody to teach me. I told you guys Nasdaq was looking for 20,800 on the weekly and you all bullied me. We did bully you. Yeah, you're right. You did get bullied. But we're still not there yet. Presto. Calm down. We're still not there yet. At this point, I want you to be right because I want it to come down to like the mid 23,000s. That way I can start loading up on TQQQ and swing trade the fuck out of it, chat. Think I won't, bro. You think I won't, but oh, buddy, will I? I'm about to withdraw this 10K from the day trading account that we made this month and put it all into TQQQ. Now there's a 65% chance the Fed will not lower interest rates due to the jobs report. Yeah. Yeah, I saw there was a lot of speculation that we may not get any rate cut. Market didn't like that, as you can tell. Yeah, also, Fresto, this is news related, Fresto, okay? Fresto trying to be Warren Buffett in the chat. Call him Chat Buffett. Well, chat, watch this retrace all the way back up tomorrow. Like we got the news for possibility of a no rate cut, and then all of a sudden this just treads. Saw the news 2 days ago. Didn't that just come out today? That they were thinking about not doing, or did it come out 2 days ago? Am I just that lost, chat? Hold on. Am I that lost? If so, I gotta step it up. Nasdaq just kind of hanging around down here. Not really doing a whole lot. Nazi poo. The nasty Naz. Got real nasty. Again, I really want to see that those 150s come into play. Too big a move now, wants to rest. We ain't got time to rest. We don't rest around here. There is no resting, chat. We don't do that here. Okay. You know what I mean, chat? We don't do that here. The market needs to wake up. We got moves to, we had trades to take. We got moves to get. We got to make $1 million, chat, today. Before market close, chat, we all got to make $1 million. Y'all with me? Everybody down for that? Everybody in the chat makes $1 million before market close. How small the initial balance looks up here is just incredible. Like, we're used to trading these 150 point, 200, 300 point ranges, and now we got this $1,000 or 1,000 point range. It's like, what? Am I planning to go long? If we can get down and break 150s, yes. Egg show strength, I will. It is pouring down rain outside my house right now. Just by the dip, people got smoked today. Yeah, they really did. Like, to be honest, over 1,000 point move, like, I'd be down to swing trade back up. You know what I mean? In fact, let's look at the 4 hour. Hold on. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Man, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I definitely want to see this level get smoked. 1/6, that little wick. I want this to get smoked here. If that can get smoked, maybe I'd be down to swing trade like 1 micro. Because I feel like catching a 500 point move on 1 micro, it wouldn't be that hard. Just a matter of, like, is the dip going to keep dipping? Because, I mean, if you look at it from a technical standpoint, like, we have plenty of room to the downside. I mean, we have levels over here. Like, we have plenty of room to the downside, chat. Plenty. So it's like, do we smoke this and then go see lower pricing like over the next few days, weeks, whatever? I don't know. I don't know. Am I calling the bear market? No. What are we down though? 8%? Off highs? We got down to like 8.3% off the highs. We need 20% to get into a bear market. So that would be what from... Actually, hold on. What's the high? 26,399. Chad, that's the high, right? Yeah. 26,399. So 26,399. We'll call that there. So that would be at wow, that would be at 21,000 at 104. That would be 20% off the highs. That would be a huge move. Absolutely massive. These market conditions are rough. Yeah, they are. What is gold doing? I haven't even really looked at gold today. Gold saw a nice little bid. Gold's on a nice bid. Up 40 points from that low. Nice little bidski. Nasdaq is trying to base out here. I don't know how much I like it though. I don't know how much I like it at all. Where do you plan to enter? Thinking to place a limit order? I want to see us break this. I think the blue line's like a little bit off. I think it's like 140, something like that. 147 or so, which I should probably move it down. Move this down to... Okay. I want to see it, see that break. In fact, hold on, let's grab that low. What is that low? $24,157. Is that low? So I want to see that blue line get smoked. And if we can do that, and then find some strength out of it, then I'd be looking for longs. So smoke this blue line, right? Smoke that level, retest 100, come back up within like maybe one, honestly, like maybe even back to the 200s, to be honest. So if we can smoke this, then come back up in the 200s, that's when I'd be looking for a long. Or if we smoke this, start seeing strength, and maybe get back above 157s, you can take the long too. You don't have to wait till 200s. So maybe smoke this, see strength back above 157, and then take the long. But I would definitely size down, because you're going against the grain by a ton. All right. I mean, we're on a 1100 point move to the downside. So you're going against everything the market's telling us today. So you got to be very careful doing that. Size, like cut your position size and like by like 60%, 70%. Like chat, even today when I was on NinjaTrader, I took 2 L's on NinjaTrader today. My position size normally on my personal account now is anywhere from 7 micros to 10 micros. It's up to the equivalent of a mini. And even today, like when I was trying to like finding levels that we potentially catch a bid off of, like yesterday's close, right? Thinking we might catch a bid off yesterday's close, and we tried. My position size was only 3 micros. All right, 3 micros when my normal size is anywhere from 7 to 10. So I cut my position size by a ton, bro. If I did my full size, I'd have been the Lambo dealer. Holy. Honestly, bro. Yeah. Same. Samesies. Or I've been buying a new house. One of the two. But the day where we go full size and we catch something like this is coming, chat. It is definitely coming. I can feel it in my veins. It's flowing through the veins, chat. MOC is going to be crazy today. Yeah, it might be, actually. MOC might go nuts today. You don't think we fall below 139? Maybe not. Yeah, MOCs might be a party today. It could very well be a party, chat. Holy moly. So far, there's nothing to really do right here, chat. I mean, we're just kind of consolidating, moving sideways. Not having done anything. I mean, we're consolidating these 280s here. So we're waiting for this to get run, if we can run it. Wait for this to get ran, and then try to find something out of it. Again, I don't want to see a bid happen here. This is not the area for a bid, in my opinion. The area for a bid would be somewhere like down in here. Just my opinion, of course, not financial advice. Will you give signals on my stock channel? I'm going to give you guys my trade ideas on my stock channel, which it is a new channel, by the way, chat. If you're not subscribed to it and you're into stocks, swing trading stocks or long-term holds, things of that sort, you could swing by and sub to it. We just put our first video up yesterday, actually. So there's not much content on it yet, but we're working on it. We're putting out some short form content today, and probably some more long form this week as well. But it's called Iconic Stock Picks. I'll put it in the chat. If y'all are into stocks and not just futures, it's in the chat there. When we're putting up that channel is going to have a lot of content over stocks, because there's so much to talk about in that field. Like there's so much content to put out there. So I'm going to be very busy putting up content on that. But like this channel where you guys are watching me is going to be for my live streams, futures, trading, I got a free day trading course coming on YouTube right now. If you check the playlist, it says free day trading course. You can join up on the free day trading course there on YouTube. So all of that's happening here. All the live streams, live trading, all here. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already. But then if you're up for, you want to check out stocks and get some good swing trades or trade stocks, check out that stocks channel in the comments there. Definitely something to take a little look at. Is that my stock channel I sit in the group? Yes. Yeah. That is the stock channel I sit in the group. Got a lot of content coming on it today as well. In fact, right after this stream, I gotta start shooting some stuff. Hang on, chat. I gotta message my my thumbnail designer. Hold on. Fancy. I can't do my own. Listen, I can't do my own thumbnails anymore. There's just no way. Like I'm doing too much on YouTube now. I can't do my own thumbnails. So I hired somebody. I would love to have a video editor, but the problem with video editors is like they can't turn around videos as fast as I can. Just because I don't really edit my videos. Like it's all kind of like raw and natural. There's no like high edits in it. So like I can record it and then upload it the same day. Whereas like if I had an editor and I wanted to record a video on a day like today where we dropped over 1,100 points, like I wouldn't be able to get it out today when it needs to go out today because it's fresh. That's the only problem with video editors. Is like I can't have a quick turnaround there. If you find a good video editor with quick turnaround, let you know. Listen, I want one. I would love to have an editor. No, it's not. This is a different guy. He does pretty good. Well, there's got unexpected news. The contract we had set to renew on my main business is not being renewed, so now I need to decide on my next steps effective January 3rd. Is that's your main biz? Mario, remind me what that biz is again. Maybe I can help talk through it. IT related. So is it like contracted stuff, Mario? Like, so it's contracted to where it's like these people are a client of yours? Is that what is that what I'm gathering? Okay. Would you be able to get to find another client? How hard is it to get clients in your field? Nasdaq is catching a bid here. So far, we are unable to come down to this level that we had marked. Which I don't love, chat. I don't love it. They're outsourcing overseas. Oh, gotcha. Why are they doing that? Is it just cheaper? Is it more cost effective to do that? Market's been kind of weird. You got to be hella on point. Yeah, sometimes. I mean, this market, yeah, it's tough for sure. Today, you really could have closed your eyes and got short and made money. Well, Mario, here's the thing, dude. Here's how I see it. Is one, you're a good trader. You make money trading. You have a nice size account with a decent amount of capital to where you do well for yourself. So I think you got time, dude. Like, I think you can trade and figure it out. You know what I mean? Because here's the thing, bro. You have a personal account. You grew it to 200K. If I remember you telling me that, right? So if you grew a personal account to 200K, you're obviously smart enough to figure it out. So I wouldn't stress over it, dude. And if you can figure that out, how to grow a trading account to 200K, you can figure something else out outside of trading too. Like, I wouldn't even stress. I get the news is probably like not what you want, and obviously it's annoying. But since you're as smart as you are, I think you're going to be okay. Turn up the music. I didn't want it to be too loud. There, I'll leave it right there. I don't want it to be too loud because some people get annoyed with music. Roman Hart says, guess who is back, baby holy. Guess who's back. Roman's gonna dance for us. Love it. Sellers coming back through, baby holy. Look at him, chat. Look at him. Look at him. Roman takes tips through evals. Mario, I hear you, bro. But like I said earlier, you're a smart dude. You're gonna figure it out. Not just anybody can do what they've done with trading, Mario. Think about that. Not just anybody can grow a personal account to $200,000. And so if you have the ability to do that, you could really do anything you want. That's the beauty of when you can succeed like that at trading, chat, you can literally do anything you want. There's nothing you can't do. Because you've literally done one of the hardest things to do. So there's literally nothing that you couldn't do. You DLL 2 Lucid accounts, $650 left in each. Oof. 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 I can't talk. I'm not talking about anything, Roman. You guys get no leaks from me. I ain't gonna get in trouble, bro. You have to let some people go. That's what's really bothering. Yeah, that's a hard thing. That is a hard thing to do. I've had to do that before. You thought Simba was gonna say something this morning? Nah. You thought we're all friends here? We are all friends here. I just can't listen. I can't give you guys the leaks, bro. I can't be doing that. We can't leak anything. You know what I mean? Y'all gonna get me in trouble, bro. Real talk. Chat, are we taking shorts? These sellers came in pretty powerful. Leaking is crazy work. Chat, do we take the shorts? Come back down the lows? I'm thinking about it. How much money do you need to trade stocks and make a decent living? Oh, God. That is very subjective. I mean, everyone's scenario is different. Depends on what your bills are, how much you're spending per month. To be honest, I would never trade full-time with any, like in any scenario, stocks or futures, unless I had like 50,000 in an account. Even that's pushing it. Like to trade full-time, I would say like 100K. Which is going to be a far different answer than what most people will tell you. But I'm also very conservative and I have high expectations. So of myself in that regard. So for me, I would be like, I would say 100K. Roman, you know the quickest way to, you know, have $1 million in trading is to start with 2 million. The quickest way to only have $1 million is to start with 2 million with trading. Training full time sounds good until you've been training for 5+ years and know how easily you could just fuck it all up. Exactly, bro. Exactly. All it takes is one day. And you could just one day where the emotions take over, you go full tilt and you lose it all. That's all it takes. Literally. You lose everything. I'm really watching this chat. I'm considering shorts. The only problem is if it goes, it's going to happen really fast. So I got to make a decision if I'm going to take these or not. $345. There's be a 45-point stop. The problem, the thing I'm struggling with today is, since we are in power hour, the chances of us making a new low during power hour are much lower. So, and that's a real stat, by the way. So I just don't know how I feel about shorts coming back down to the lows here. Because the probabilities of making a new low during power hour after a buy up like this are much lower. So I don't know how I feel about it, chat. I might set it out, to be honest. I like the selling. I like to sell from here. We could come down and make new lows, but with us being in power hour, I need to look up that stat. Hold on, chat. What's the stat? Let's take a look. We'll use Edgeful here. There's a stat that gives you a probability of how often we make new lows during power hour. I'm gonna have to find it. Let's see, reports. We'll do Nasdaq. Yeah, I'll just pull up Edgeful chat. We'll take a look here. Let's do MNQ. I want to say it's under volume. No. Maybe price action, actually. I swear. Okay, on power hour breakout, power hour continuation. That gives red and green. But there's only... Oh, wait. Here it is. There it is, chat. 14%. So here's a really strong stat for you guys. During power hour, it's only a 14% chance that a new low of day is made during power hour. That's crazy, chat. Like, remembering that stat is why I'm not sold on it. Because of that stat right there. That's what worried me. Because knowing that we're in power hour and there's only a 14% chance that we make a new low of day. Today is feeling 14%ish. Yeah. After today, yeah, it definitely is. What's the data size? 6 months. Right here. We can look at it over a year. Over a year is 16%. So over the course of a year, it's only a 16% chance that you make a new low during power hour. But today's like today are anomalies. Like, I mean, this is an anomaly, chat. Like, we don't just have 1,000-point sell-offs. So today could be an anomaly. I mean, we very well could. But keeping that stat in mind, that's why I'm going to sit out of it. Buy it. That is true. Like, you do have a higher probability with that stat in mind. You do have a higher probability of catching along because we're not likely to make a new low of day. What platform are you pulling out data from? Edgeful. Link in the description. $75% win rate. Yeah, facts. So statistics say to actually go long. That's what the stats say. But since today is such an anomaly, I'm not really sold on it either. If we were having like more of a range day, I would long down here. But clearly, chat, this isn't a range day. You know what I mean? This is not a range day. I think the market went down today. I don't know about you guys. But I think the market went down. Where's the link for that platform? In the description of this video. 1,000-point range, yeah. Yeah, we're bouncing back and forth between 1,000 points. Here come the buyers. So full port at Globe? Yes. Not financial advice. Yeah, if you want a full port at GlobeX, by all means. Again, not financial advice. All right, Miss K, stay beautiful, baby. No, Roman, I did not. I did not, bro. I'm not taking that heat. I don't give financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, CPA. I am none of the above, bro. I don't give financial advice. This channel is not for financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. In fact, I'm just an entertainer, chat. I'm not even a trader. What are you talking about? Holy. Chat, maybe if you guys hit the like button, we'll get a ton of buyers come through. What do you think? Have y'all hit the like button? And have y'all subscribed to the channel? Word on the street is that if you hit the like button and subscribe, you're going to make a lot of money over your trading career. That's just word on the street. A little birdie told me that subscribing to the channel, you make a lot of money. That's just what I heard. And hitting the like button supports that theory. So it's up to you. But you'll go bald? Y'all can all join me on being bald, bro. Listen, there is nothing wrong with being bald, baby. A lot of people talk down on bald people. But listen. There's something about a good-looking bald guy that they listen. I didn't make the rules, chat. I didn't make the rules. If you're bald and you can pull it off, that's how you know you're a good-looking dude. When you can pull off the bald look, that's how you know you're good looking. Bald people make the world go round. We can sure light up a room. Us bald people, man, we can walk in a dark room and really light that thing up. Joey, start a bald club and do special duck race for the club. Chat, should we start a bald club? I'm down. Listen, I could start a Discord channel for bald people. All you gotta do is post a picture in the channel to verify you're bald. We'll have a channel just for bald guys. And we'll talk about how like the different ways of waxing the head. Right? We'll get ideas from each other. How you guys properly shine it up, you know what I mean? Waxing what? Golly, dude. Gonna get a prosthetic, hide the hair. There you go. Chat, I'm kind of feeling a duck race. Y'all want to do a duck race today? Do y'all want a giveaway? I'm feeling a little bit generous. I don't normally do this many giveaways, but I'm feeling generous today. Y'all want to do a giveaway? Y'all want a free account? Who wants a free account today? I'm feeling a little bit generous. Take along. All right, because Logan Harris told me to take along, I'm going to take along on the paper account. We're in 5 micros because Logan Harris said to take the long. We're in 5 micros, Harris. Chat, this is all on Logan Harris. God dang, I looked up at the chat and there's just tons of, okay, everybody want a free account. Of course you guys do. Bunch of freeloaders. All right, Logan. We're in the longs. My personal account's locked up. We ain't taking nothing in the personal account. Personal account's done today. But we'll take it in the paper account. Yeah, chat. We'll do duck race today, huh? Let's do... I tell you what, we'll do a 50K growth account with Tradeify. We're doing a straight to funded account tomorrow. Give us the course. Don't care about the accounts. My course is free. What do you mean? My course is free, bruh. All you gotta do, and we're adding to it every week. We just getting started on the course. We got 4 videos up right now. And it's all on the mental side of things, chat. So before we do the duck race, let's just talk about this for a second, chat. We're gonna do a duck race. Let's talk about this for a second. While we got more people in here. We are doing a free day trading course, chat. We're not charging a penny for it. And let me tell you, the info that's in this course is things that people charge you hundreds of thousands of dollars for, okay? I'm telling you. You're gonna want to check it out. It is on YouTube. If you go to my channel and go under playlist, you'll see the playlist for a free day trading course. All right. We just got through the mental side of trading. There's 4 videos in there right now. They're all about 20 minutes long or so. We just got through 4 videos on the mental side. Tomorrow, we're releasing the next video of the free day trading course. It's going over risk management. All right. Risk management. We're starting the risk management portion of the course. So tomorrow is going to be a really great video, a good follow-up video after you guys go through the whole mental side. Definitely something to check out. Okay, so that will be tomorrow. But if you want to watch the other videos before we release the next one tomorrow, again, just go on my channel and go under playlist and look for the free day trading course playlist. All right, chat, we're going to do the giveaway. So here's the deal. If you're not in Discord, you have to join Discord because listen, if I do the giveaway through the YouTube comments, we get a lot of alt accounts. And so you have to go into Discord under the stream giveaway channel. All right. I'll post a link in Discord for you guys. I'll post a link here. So if you want to win, just hop in Discord and go into the stream giveaway channel. There's a link to Discord. I'm pinning that right there for you guys. I'll give you guys some time to hop in before we do it. Uh-oh, Logan. What's happening to my long, dude? What's happening to my long, Logan? All right, chat. Everybody, once you join Discord, look at the stream giveaway channel. I'll give you guys a keyword to type. I'll give you guys a keyword to type in the stream giveaway channel. I was gonna give you guys a couple minutes to hop in. You didn't know I was just gonna jump in. You said take the long. Chat, did Logan not say take the long? Hold on, where's the comment? Yeah, you said take along. You told me to take it. So I took it. I took it because of you, Logan. I don't hesitate. When you listen, I told you guys, y'all could, when I started this stream, I said you guys can choose what trade you want me to take. in the paper account. And so you were the first one to tell me, and so I did it. So if I get stopped out here, Logan, it's on you. That 14% my play, it's kind of looking like it. The 14% that we go make a new low on the day, it's kind of looking like it. All right, chat. I think we got people hopped in Discord. Here's the keyword, chat. I'm gonna put it in the chat. So type this keyword in the stream giveaway channel. There's your keyword. Logan failed. Type that in the stream giveaway channel. Now he's telling me to exit the trade. No, I'm gonna stay in it. Because now that you're exiting, now I'm gonna hold it. And it's gonna go up. I'm gonna hold it now because you're exiting. And chat, only type it once. Do not type it twice. You only need to type it once. Laugh at my pain, yep. All right, I gotta get Chat GPT to get ready to clear to give me a clean list. Yeah, Cherry's Nest, put it in Discord. All right, looks like we got quite a few people. Give it like one more minute for you guys to put it in there. Your channel's growing quick. We have been growing. That is for sure. I just think we stand out as a channel, chat. I'm just gonna say it now. There's not very many influencers on YouTube that trade personal accounts in front of you guys. I'm like one of the few that do it. I trade a real live money account in front of you. So I think that people really appreciate the transparency behind a real money account and not just prop firm accounts. I think that's why we've been growing. All right, chat, we're gonna call it there. I'm gonna get all the names here. And then I'm gonna put it in Chat GPT, get the clean list, remove all duplicates. Add off the 90s. You're telling me to add? Okay. How much we add? We'll add 2. There, we added 2. All right, there's 54. Got 54 people. Oh, Logan, I added, bro. What's happening, Logan? Rockin', I'll put you in. Don't worry. What happened, Logan? Why am I losing this trade? 20 minutes. No, sir. All right, chat. There's not really 107 names. It's just because there's a gap between. There's 54 people. And I need to put in Rockin'. Chat. All right, let's take a look at our trade real quick. Logan, bro, I need to know what's happening here, Logan. What are we doing? What's happening here? Logan, what do I do? Do I get out of the trade? Do I DCA and add more, Logan? What am I doing? Logan says add more. You comment about the 60s? I didn't see it. I see add off the 90s. I only see add off the 90s. Logan, do I add more? I don't know what to do, Logan. I'm waiting on you to tell me what to do. Maybe we have to wait till MOCs. All right, chat. Y'all ready, bro? Y'all ready for a duck race? Chat, remember, this is where preparation meets opportunity. This is where you should have given your ducks performance-enhancing drugs. This is where preparation meets opportunity. This is the moment you all have been training for. Okay. My trade is still from Logan is still losing. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Holy moly, we got a duck race happening on right now. We got a duck race going on for a 50K growth account with Trader5. We got Market Making Mario. We got CC, Trader 007. Chat, you cannot let Trader 007 win this. Trader 007 cannot win it. Chat, he wins all the time. If he wins, I'm convinced it's rigged. I'm convinced. We got JL trying to take the lead here. We got Bull Pathfinder, Fade the Spike. We got Jishnu Shaka Laka Muralaka. My trade is still losing because of Logan. We got Bull Pathfinder. We got Artistic Anchor. We got Medi. Sean Chicago saying no keyword. What did I miss? Sean Chicago King. We put it in Discord. In the stream giveaway channel. Precision Pivot. We got Kanan Nair. We got Profit Tick. We got J666. Holy moly. We got Profit per Tick. Cherry 007 went on Cherify TV earlier. What in the world? He wins all the time, dude. It's so weird. How does he do it, chat? How does he do it? We got Wick Hunter. We got Kanan Nair. We got Johnny Mnemonic. Mnemonic. Rasmus the Great Dane. Chat, the tail feathers are absolutely shaking right now for this free 50K growth account right now. The tail feathers are absolutely moving. We got Tiffany. We got Mr. Bond. We got CC. We got Johnny, Roman, JTJ. Oh, baby. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? This is an absolute close one, chat. My trade is still losing. We got Tiffany. Uh-oh, Roman Arts taking the lead. We got Roman Arts taking the lead. Look at Roman. Can Roman hold on to it? Oh, Roman, what happened? Roman, where are you going? Roman! Look at Carrie. Oh, is Carrie going to win again? Bro, Carrie won again? Chat, Carrie just won. Carrie. Chat, I don't know what to tell you. This is twice in a row Carrie won. Twice in a row Carrie has won, bro. What is that? Drug test that duck. Yo, Carrie, what are you giving your duck, bro? Huh? Carrie, are you here? If you're not here, we gotta run it back. Chat, where's Carrie? Where's Carrie? Did we make a new low? Logan Harris, we got stopped out, dude. Logan Harris just made me lose $1,700. Carrie, where you at? Carrie, you got 1 minute, Carrie. Carrie. Oh, no. Carrie. Wait, we've had a Carrie in the chat, though. We've had Carrie. I've seen Carrie in the chat. So wait a minute. My username is different. Is that Carrie? Carrie, did you change your username? Because we had a Carrie in the chat, in the YouTube chat. Presto says I'm Carrie. Okay, well, here's the thing. Carrie, message me in Discord. How about that? Because I have you in Discord and I've already messaged you before. So message me in Discord. Now everyone's Carrie. All right, we'll see. Carrie, I'm waiting on the message in Discord. Yeah, that is Carrie. She has, it's the same picture. All right, Carrie, congratulations. You've won a 50K growth account with Tradeify. They call me Carrie. Chat is an Oprah meme now. Logan, what happened, dude? Chat, where's Logan at? Somebody needs to get Logan in here if he's not in here. Trey's by Judas as I'm Carrie from around the block. What prop you trading today? I only took a trade on a paper account, not a real account. Logan is Karen. Logan needs 50K growth account. He already blown his account. Logan. Hey, bro. Why'd you do me that way? I'm still waiting for Carrie to message me in Discord. I don't know. She hasn't messaged me yet. All right, there's Carrie. Carrie messaged me. Run it again. We're going to run it back tomorrow. We're doing a straight to funded account giveaway tomorrow. Chat, y'all can't do multiple accounts in Discord, I don't think. I don't think you can. I think this is the way to get rid of all the duplicates. So far, it's worked. Chat, with that said, bro, next keyword is find Carrie. With that said, chat, if you're not already subscribed, bro, what are you even doing, bro? We're live every single day. We have a free day trading course going up. We trade real live capital in front of you guys. We do absolutely everything here. We are one of the few, and we are growing, baby. We are absolutely growing. So if you have not hit that subscribe button, you should definitely be hitting the subscribe button, because nobody does duck races like me. All right. There is not a single other influencer, YouTuber that does duck races like I do. Okay. They may try to do duck races, but they don't do it like Joey. They don't do it like Joey, baby. So hit that subscribe button. Tune in. We got some content coming out, baby. You're not going to want to miss it. Chat, I'm going to call it a day there. We're sitting nice and green, chat. Check it out. Take a little peek. All right. Take a little peek. Let it soak in. Okay. Let it soak in. We are absolutely dominating the personal account, and we are going to absolutely continue to crush it. Chat, love you guys. Stay beautiful. Hit that subscribe button. Love you. Bye-bye.